Why does Allah use we in the Qur'an? This explanation will change the way you read the Qur'an forever. In many places in the Holy Qur'an, Allah refers to himself using the word we. Some people mistakenly think this implies plurality, but in reality, its meaning is deep, powerful, and faith-strengthening expression of majesty and greatness. In the Arabic language, kings and great authorities use we to express honor, power, and majesty. This is called the royal we, plural of majesty. When Allah says we, it is to declare his absolute greatness, power, and glory. Allah is one, with no partner. The Qur'an clearly proclaims. Say he is Allah the One. Surah Al-Ikhlas. Allah is one. The use of we does not mean plurality. It never contradicts Tawheed. Rather, it strengthens the belief in Allah's oneness. Reference to the system of angels. In many verses, we is used because Allah carries out his commands through angels, such as sending revelation, causing rain to fall, and distributing sustenance. The authority and power remain solely with Allah. Angels act only by his command. Sign of lordship and a perfect system. When Allah says, we, it reflects that his actions occur through a complete, organized, and wise system, a system governed entirely by his knowledge and will. Conclusion. Whenever you read we in the Qur'an, do not understand it as plural. Feel Allah's majesty, power, wisdom, and lordship. This understanding deepens respect for the Qur'an and strengthens your connection with Allah. Indeed, this explanation truly transforms the way you read the Qur'an.